One. Yo, welcome back to another NBA 2K24 rebuild. It is Stay Mellow Part 2. We're going to see if we can try to win Mellow a championship. It didn't work out in New York, so we're going to try to do it before he went to New York, his last year in Denver. So, obviously, we don't have no Allen Iverson. It was his last year, so we're going to have Mello, Chauncey, Nene, young Ty Lawson, a young J.R. Smith, Kmart, etc., etc. I think what we're going to try to do is, I think the goal is maybe I'm going to keep Melo, Nene, and JR. Everyone else, I might keep Ty Lawson for the bench, but we'll see. So, with that being said, this is Ball Central Gaming. Mostly we're a lot of sports games, but we might play some, variety games here and there. Get Set Radio, as soon as it comes out, we're playing that shit. Fall Guys, etc., etc. So, hey, we're mainly sports gaming, but we also play a lot more games. WWE as well. I mean, it counts as a sports game, so the new one comes out soon. So we'll be playing that. But if you like sports, you like games, you like sports games, and comedy, this is your channel. So with that being said, make sure you like and comment down below, subscribe, put a notification so you know when we upload. And with that being said, let's get into it. So basically the premise of these rebuild videos is I try to win a championship in one season. I might do like some longer rebuilds down the road, but as of right now, one and done, quick video, what trades, we'll get it done. If not, I fail. If I succeed, I succeed. That way it's not too lengthy of a video. So, let's try to get Carmelo some help. Oh, wait, hold on. Boom, boom, boom. What can I get for Chauncey, actually? Chauncey and Kmart. I feel like I can get a good amount for these guys. Ooh. I'm just going to move this screen right here so we can see the trades. I want a young point guard. Pau Gasol, and we take away Kobe's help. I like that. Oh, Steve Nash. I got Steve Nash out the one. Oh, okay. So Iguodala. Well, I feel like a young Iguodala would be lovely. 6'6" shooting guard. Or I go Pau Gasol. I go with the veteran help. Honestly, let's go Iguodala. Plus we get Elton Brand as well. Yeah, let me go Iguodala and Brand. So what we're going to do is we're going to change Iguodala to a shooting guard. Ty Lawson gets bumped up. Okay. Elton Brand. Let's go. Let's try to trade away a Follow and Al Harrington. Anderson Varejao, nice backup. Crick came in, be nice backup. Beno Udrid, Lamar Odom. So what do we need? Do we need an A? No, we'll see. Who can I trade away? Damn, we don't have that much to work with too. Wow. So let's go. I want to keep JR. A Flalo and Birdman and a first. Right, Brewer, DJ Hickson, DeAndre Jordan. DeAndre Jordan will be a nice backup. Beno Udrid. Honestly, I like DeAndre Jordan as a nice backup, so we'll go with that. So starting lineup will probably be what Nene is 28, Elton Brand 31. So I think we need a better center though. DeAndre Jordan and Al Harrington. And a first. Steven Jackson. Varejao. Young Varejao would be lovely. Robin Lopez, Grant Hill. You know what? Let me get Varejao. Actually, who does more? 86, 79, 79. Yeah, I'll keep him. Let's go Boom. And Sheldon. You know what? Let's go Bang. I think we gotta get rid of some of these picks. Drew Gooden, Wilson Chandler, Shannon Brown. No, we might have to trade an A. What can I get for? I said, let me see what I can get for Brand. Jared Wallace, ooh, Antoine Jameson, Mo Williams, Lamar Odom, Danny Granger, Richard Hamilton, Luis Scola, Luis Scola, Yao Ming, Gilbert Arenas, and Nick Young. You know what? I got a better idea. Boom. 2 first-round picks and Elton Brand. Antoine and Chris Kaman, Jamal Crawford, Pachulia, Lamar Odom, Old Vince. We don't want Old Vince Carter. Devin Harris, 28-year-old Devin Harris. Chris Humphreys, no. Danny Granger, Greg Monroe, Richard Hamilton. You know what? Let's go with this. Let me get Verjao and Jameson, yeah. So boom, boom. So Lawson, Iguodala, Carmelo, Antoine Jameson. I feel like we can get better for Antoine Jameson, though. Kenya, no. Barry Davis. Rudy Gay. Oh, young Rudy Gay. Luis Scola. Can he shoot? No. 59-80. Oof. You know what? I'll go Luis Scola. What can I trade for Ty Lawson? Not much, yeah. Okay, so Lawson, Iguodala, Carmelo, Scola, Verjao, and then we got Nene. So we got center, shooting guard. No, we got power forward, center, shooting guard. I'm gonna move Nene Batty to a small forward. So we got our center, power forward, small forward, shooting guard. So we just need point guard. So point guard. Ooh, Steven Jackson. Barry Davis. Mecca Okafor. Gallo. Odom. What if I move Granger to... Steve Nash is too old. Honestly, I got an idea. I'm going to move Melo to power forward, and I'm going to move Granger to small forward. Boom. Lawson, Iguodala, Granger, Carmelo, then Verjao. And the bench, oof. You got center, power forward, shooting guard, small forward. So I just need point guard now. Jeff Foster, Sheldon Williams. Okay, I just need a good point guard. CJ Watson, no. Daniel Boobie Gibson, maybe. OJ, ooh, I can get OJ Mayo. Beno Udrid. Jaylen Brown, I'm leaning towards. Grant Hill. You know what? Give me OJ Mayo. I want OJ Mayo on the squad. Let's go Lawson and OJ. Oh, a young Drew Holiday? How many badges? 11. Jamir Nelson, no. Or do you say fucking Steve Nash? Who's a better three-point shooter? 80. Yeah, I'm going to go Ty Lawson then. Okay, so that's the starting lineup. Lawson. Let's see. No. I need a point guard, though. Let's see if I could trade someone for a point guard. Boom. Booby Gibson. Jamal. Ooh, I could do Jamal Crawford at point. Beno Udrid is always an option. Jose Calderon. You know what? Let me do Calderon. I like Calderon. There we go. So Calderon, OJ Mayo, JR, Nene, and DeAndre Jordan. There we go. Calderon off the bench. He can pass. Yeah, I like that. You know what? I might do. Yeah, this works. If I can trade Danny Granger for a better power forward, I'll do it. But if not, I'm okay with it. Okay, hold on. Okay. Well, dang. Baron Davis, no. Paul Millsap. Ooh, young Paul Millsap. So far, I'm keeping him. Devin, nah. Kevin Martin. Who's better? Young Paul Millsap or Danny Granger? 9? Yes, yeah, I'm keeping Danny Granger. That's fine. Okay. So your official lineup for the season is Ty Lawson, AI, Danny Granger, Carmelo, Varejao, Nene, JR, DeAndre Jordan, Jose Calderon, OJ Mayo, and then the bench. Let's get it. If anything happens, I'll show it. If not, we'll see you at the awards. So, your MVP, LeBron James. Blake Griffin, Rookie of the Year. Sixth Man of the Year, Manu Ginobili. Defensive Player of the Year, Dwight Howard. Ibaka is your most improved. Coach of the Year, George Karl. Wow, we didn't get Executive of the Year. We got more wins than them. Okay, it is what it is, I guess. Wow. We didn't get any awards? That's fine. That's okay. We can deal with it. So we are the 1 seed going up against the Hornets. We'll see how that rolls out. Round. Oh, we barely beat them. Good Lord. Oh, Lakers at Nuggets. Oh. We beat them for game 1. They won game 2. They won game 3. Nuggets Magic. We won 1. We won 2. Ah, shit. I haven't beat that. We win 3. Simcast. Let's get it. So I'm going to just sim. No, stop. Well, let's play it. Oh, no. Yeah, we lost. Yeah, we only lost by 2. Damn. Okay. Simcast again. Oh, yeah, GG's. Oh, yeah. Nah, that's GG's. Let's go! Nuggets are champions. Carmelo Anthony, your finals MVP, 27-5, 1 assist, 1 steal, 55% from the field, 94% from the free throw percent, and 33% from three. Let's get it. Who else showed up? Let's see. I'm curious. JR 19. Oh, Ty Lawson 18 and 13. Ty Lawson. Wow. Shit. That's crazy. Hey, we'll take it. Hey, we accomplished our goal. Wow. All game sevens leading up until here. We won in 5. That's crazy. So we almost lost every single round, but we beat the Magic at the end. So with that being said, let me know what you think of the roster. The final roster is the championship roster is Ty Lawson, 84, Andre Iguodala, Danny Granger, Carmelo Anthony, Anderson Varejao, Nene Hilario, J.R. Smith, DeAndre Jordan, wow, all 80s, Jose Calderon, O.J. Mayo. I'm glad we made these trades. I think Calderon is probably like the, what's it called? The guy that made our bench. Playoffs, 5 assists. Hey, 5 points, 5 assists, I'm okay with that. So, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like and comment down below. Subscribe. Put a notification so you know we upload. And we'll see you next time on Baller Central Gaming. Yeah.